stop.
So today I'm going to present the paper that called the climate anomaly affect the immune competence of California sea lions. So the aim of this paper is to prove that the high SSTs cause the disastrous consequences to the California sea lions. And I will call it CSL in later of the paper. So the first thing is introduction. So this is the sounds of the California sea lions. And they feed mainly offshore at the upwelling area, and its natural habitats is including the southeast Alaska and central Mexico, and including the Gulf of California. And one of the most important message is that the females tend to catch prey less than 100 kilometers from their breeding sites. And then the male California sea lions, they can like swim about 450 kilometers to catch prey. So just make sure to remember this. So the story should start with the worm blob start at 2013 near the Gulf of Alaska. And that blob just keeps spreading to the south. The blob means the high SST area, but the reason that blob formed, we don't have the conclusion of it, but all we need to know is the high SST. And also another important issue is 2014 to 2016 El Nino events. So it leads to the anomaly, the SST anomaly was on average 1 degree Celsius higher in 2015 than in 2014. So it's also the area that our research sites. So the key message is high SST. So this is where our research sites spot at. It's at the south of California, and also it's a archipelago. It means the islands, and the San Benito Islands was formed by 3 little islands. So what high SST will cause is that it will cause the ecosystem change and biomass changes, and it will make the reduction in the abundance of fishes, and also another issue is the large harmful algal bloom. And in this paper, we focus on the first one, the reduction in the abundance of fishes. So the logic of this paper is that the reduction, the fish abundance is low, so it will make the females California sea lions that I mentioned, they cannot swim that long to catch the prey, so they're forced to eat the fish without that much nutrition. And then the female need to breed their children, so the pups might not get the normal nursing, including when they are pregnant, and also when they produce milk to the pups. So it will lead to the pups have the immune system problem and the health problem. And the key message is, one of the key messages is the immune system needs a lot of energy. So if the nutrition is critical to the immune system. So we expect to see these results later on. So if the pups born at the normal SST years with enough nutrition, they may have the more responses to the mitosis challenge. And mitosis challenge is the challenge I will talk about later, and it's quite interesting. And another is higher immunoglobulin concentrations found, and also as known as antibody found. And also we will see less blood value outside of the normal clinical range. So, but how to prove the connection? So we sampling those pups in the San Benito Islands at 2014 and 2015. But the thing is that 2014 cannot be seen as a normal SST year. So they used the previous research data from the Greentoe Islands at 2012. And they basically doing the health examinations for the sea lions pups. So like human, we measure our mass and we measure our height. So they measure the length mass ratio and also the scale mass index. And the scale mass index is an index that published in 2009. And this thing is I checked the paper of SMI, but it's quite complex. So all we need to know right now is that the higher SMI number is, the stronger the animal is. And also we do a blood test. So we take the blood from the pups. So and we test the nutritional status, including glucose, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. And HDL, and also in immune parameters, we test the total white blood cell and immunoglobulin concentration. And then the last one is what I said is about mitosis challenge. So the test result come out. In body condition, you can see that in the higher SST is, the lower the pulse body condition is. So you can see like